Criteria is quite simple. The houses I buy, I choose in a way that I say I would like to live in there. And it's a matter of the shape and of the place and of the usage and everything. All above, I would say, yeah, when I like it, I buy it. So in this moment we are open for having it for rent for somebody who likes to make a test living week or something like that. And I would like to have a living community out of people who live here, who own their house, who are really nice to each other, and where we have a little living community with people who are on job but are living in their own. Related to many females, because tiny living seems to be a more female than a male idea. Lots of people who are in the process of ending family life and are living in a big house which is then for sale, and they want to reduce themselves. I have also families which want to come up with little baby and child and want to have their own that cannot afford, and so they think it's very cheap to go in this. This is also something. I think one of the criteria for selecting the people is also to live with a little footprint in their lives. So I'm astonished about how big it is from inside. This is an impression that you cannot have from pictures. The size inside is really big, and I did not expect this, I must say. I expected something really smaller than that. This is a big house. This is the biggest house we have on the place, I would say, compared to all the others. The impression is there that this is a house and not a, what do you say, something for a dog. Okay.